Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to a main clause. The word if shows condition. It explains when one thing happens only if another condition is true. This creates clear cause and effect relationships in sentences. If introduces a dependent clause that shows condition. A main clause can come before or after the if clause. The if clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. It always depends on the main clause to make complete meaning. Two basic patterns exist. First pattern, main clause plus if plus condition. Second pattern, if plus condition followed by main clause. Both patterns create valid conditional sentences. The order can change, but meaning stays the same. I will go to the park if it does not rain. The main clause states the action that will happen. The if clause states the condition needed for that action. If the condition fails, the action does not happen. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. You will pass the exam if you study hard. Both sentences mean the same thing. Passing the exam depends on studying hard. The condition determines if the result happens. We will call you if we need help. The action of calling depends on needing help. If help is not needed, no call happens. The if clause always creates this dependency between condition and action. If introduces conditions in sentences. It connects dependent clauses to main clauses. Clauses can switch order without changing meaning. If plus condition, main clause works. Main clause plus if plus condition also works. Practice using if to show conditions in sentences. Master subordinating conjunctions step by step. Regular practice builds strong English grammar skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.